So I'm here at the Newport Upper Back Bay Preserve, and this is a large, roughly 16-mile loop that loops around the bay here in Newport Beach. There's a bicycling trail, some hiking trails, and so we're gonna go for a short hike today. I'm gonna start off on the east side. I'll put the location of the map up on your screen. And so this is where you can park in the parking lot on the eastern side of the Upper Back Bay. And it provides you access to this nature trail, which I'm on right now. And in just a moment, after we finish this little section here, we're gonna go to the northwest corner, and there's an interpretive center, a little bit of information about the animals and wildlife in this area. I'm beginning my hike today at the Big Canyon Loop Trail. It's hot today, so I'm like wearing this hat to protect my neck. Kind of tucked away back here in this canyon. It's beautiful. And you've got the hillside. Just on the other side of these hills, there's just really large homes. It's nice. There's a plane taking off there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Anyway, we'll continue our hike around this corner here. It'll put us back onto the main loop, the bicycle path, and we'll pick it up on the other side. I'll see you guys soon. Back out on the bicycle trail. Now let's jump back in the car and we'll head over to the other side. Okay, we reached the interpretive center. This is the other side of the bay. The northwest corner, I think. Oh, it's open today actually. Nature Center open. We're gonna walk in on the other side. Let's go check it out. Crawl outside. This is fur from a coyote. Look. Coyotes around here too. So the interpretive center is open Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 4. Check it out. Clean your shoe. Yeah, we're right here right now. This is where we walked earlier, near Rocky Point. So if you walk around this entire thing, I think it's like 16 miles. There's a viewing deck on the second story up above. When you come out at the interpretive center, you're greeted with this amazing view of the bay. And I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's like a hiking trail that goes all around the edge. And it joins up with the bike trail. And that's where we were earlier, way across on the other side. Today's video is a quick overview of Newport Upper Back Bay. This area is a great way to spend the afternoon in the outdoors, so I encourage you to visit yourself when visiting Southern California. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video because it really helps me out a lot. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.